Your first single was so huge. It must just feel like a completely different life.
It is. It's so surreal. I mean, as an artist, you obviously believe in your music, and when you're in the studio, you love it. But then it's always daunting putting it out there to the public, and I had no expectations. I didn't know what the reaction was going to be. And it's been incredible. Like, I'm so grateful. Everyone's been really positive, and it's amazing.
Because your life before X Factor, you know, was very different, and then it came along, you had a massive change, and then, looking at where you are now, would you ever have dreamed back in those days that you'd be in the position that you are now?
No, definitely not. There were moments where if somebody said to me, don't worry, in a year's time, you know, you're going to be touring, going all around the world, singing, performing your music, I definitely wouldn't believe it.
Because you were in a band, weren't you, that got through to the live shows ages ago in the X Factor?
Yes.
And then nothing happened. And then you, in your own words, you say you actually now looking back were a bit depressed at one point. What was going on then?
Very low. I think it's so tough, the music industry, and you get so many knockbacks and there's so much rejection, and I think there's only so much one person can take. And I think I'd reached my tipping point, and I thought, I don't know if I can really continue.
And what were you doing? Were you just sort of, what were you doing?
There was a time where I had nothing booked in the diary, and because I'd been doing music solely, I had nothing to do. I had no job, and I was like, oh, I've got to just take another career, or I've got to just do something that's going to kick me up the bum, and X Factor was that. It was the last shot for me.
And listen, you're talking about how tough the music industry is. You came runner-up to Ben Haynout, of course, who's now been dropped by the record label. It is a harsh industry, isn't it?
Oh, it's very harsh. And even before I'd done the X Factor or anything like that, I knew many people in the industry that were getting signed and dropped, and things were almost happening, and then...
And does that make it difficult for you? I mean, if you see him around now, I mean, does it make it awkward, or is that just everyone knows that's how it goes?
I think you learn pretty quickly what the industry's like, So I just don't take anything for granted for that reason.
So is that sort of, you know, in a sense, a worrying feeling? Because you're thinking, I've got this now and this is amazing, but how long does it last? What do I do with it?
Definitely. I think that's why I cherish every single moment, and I just work hard. I'm not afraid of hard work, so...
And you're having quite a say in everything, aren't you? You know, because filming that little promo, look at you, you're like, yeah, no one messes with me.